Babe! Come here, please! Feel it. How you feel? Just tell me how you feel.
Feels nice, soft. Don't know what that did. Don't know.
You did great. It's alright. I just wanted to know how you think, what you think about it. Like, how my hair feel.
How is it nice? I don't know.
Hey beauties, it's Viviana and today it's wash day. I know, I usually start out looking more like a crop in my wash day videos, but I figured since it's a sponsored video, I should probably fix up a little bit and, you know, try look like a cutish. So in case you're wondering, this right here is my safety pin curls. If you haven't seen that video, I'll be sure to leave it up in the iCards. So for today's wash day, I'll be using a product I practically formulated myself. Not really, but kinda, you know. Hey, add an input in the formula. Close enough. But yeah, today's video is sponsored by Formulate, and I hope this doesn't sound infomercial-ish. So Formulate is a personal service that allows you to customize your very own shampoo and conditioner. So if you're not new here, then you know that I, Viviana, I'm a product junkie. I kind of like buying new hair products and just trying new hair products. But I know that's not everybody's vibe. A lot of us are actually just looking for a special shampoo and conditioner made for you. Like, customized for us. Like, we want a shampoo and conditioner with our names written on it. Isn't that cool? It's like my shampoo and conditioner. It's like made for me. So if there's one thing I've learned from being a product junkie all these years, it's what I look for in a product is different from what you look for in a product. So I might have a product and I say it is the best product ever because it's giving me what I want from it. If I'm looking for shiny hair and volume, and this product gives me shiny hair and volume, I'm gonna say this is a perfect product. If you are looking for a product that gives you soft curls and moisture, and I give you the product that I call perfect, that gives me shiny hair and volume, you are not gonna think that the product that I gave you and I'm calling perfect is actually perfect because it doesn't give you what you want. I really hope that wasn't too complicated. So here's how Formulate works. So the first thing I did was to fill out a questionnaire on their website. They asked me questions like the color of my hair, if my hair was dyed, chemically treated, how long my hair is. They even asked about my scalp too, like if I have oily scalp, sensitive scalp. Girl, they asked it all. But I appreciated that they kept it short enough that I didn't get tired and bored. I don't know what you're thinking. It's one of those questionnaires that you fill out and then the algorithm will do that little thing and then, you know, put you in a box where they think you belong. Actually, the questionnaire was just the beginning. So after the questionnaire, I was matched with my personal chemist. Yes, not a robot, an actual person. Before I even got to use the product, I mean, this was like a day after I received the products. But she was simply reaching out to me to remind me that there was an app for me to download, and that's where I could manage my tasks, view the detailed ingredients involved in making my personalized shampoo and conditioner, and most importantly, where I could reach out to her, my personal chemist, directly. So the scent I chose was Berry Bloom, and I asked for that thing to be strong. And they delivered. If you prefer unscented products, that was also an option as well. I love a moisturizing shampoo. I know that the purpose of a shampoo isn't to moisturize your hair, it's to clean your hair, but I like a shampoo shampoo that's a tad bit moisturizing.
But this initial shampoo formula was more of a clarifying shampoo formula.
I think I did use a lot of shampoo over on this side of my hair. So this time around, I'm gonna try to only focus the shampoo on my scalp. Just one pump. That should be enough. And this is where I can say I made my shampoo and conditioner. Well, not really the conditioner. The conditioner was perfect from the first try, but the shampoo, I had to reach back out to Tommy and say, well, hey, this shampoo isn't bad, but I would really like it to be a little more moisturizing. And usually for a company, when you don't like their product or when you give them negative feedback, that's like a bad thing. But they were encouraging me to give my honest feedback, because honest feedback is how they can honestly improve to make something that I find perfect for me. And from my feedback on their product, they sent me a second shampoo to try, and yes, I am able to tell them apart because the date is on the bottle, and it's not like the first formula ended up being a waste, because now I have a clarifying shampoo and a moisturizing shampoo, which it's kind of neat, isn't it? But the conditioner, this conditioner, Tammy got it right from the beginning. It was extra moisturizing, it was extra creamy, it smelled great, and I love it. And that's it. My hair feels clean. It feels luscious. Like I just want to keep doing this. Feels good. Is it just in my head, or my hair have a little more volume than usual? I did not know I could get my hair to look more voluminous. Not sure how I feel about that, but I'ma embrace it, alright? I'ma embrace the volume. So in the description box, I'll have a link for you to order your very own customizable Formulate products. And that's not all. So down in the description box, I'll have a link for you to enter a giveaway for one lucky winner to win a free 8-ounce shampoo and conditioner from Formulate. And even if you don't win, you get $5 off your Formulate order. Win-win. So technically, you win something, but you know, you don't win the free 8-ounce bottle of shampoo and conditioner, but you win $5 off. Anyway, beauties, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really hope you enter the giveaway, because it'd be nice for you to experience this personalized experience that I experienced. If you're new to this channel and you haven't decided from this one video that you want to subscribe, that's fine. I'll leave some more of my videos up in the iCards for you to watch more, get more familiar with my channel, and then yeah, after like 2-3 more videos, you should realize by then that you actually enjoy it here and you want to subscribe. Alright beauties, thanks again for